Hey everybody, this is an unboxing and review on this solar light these guys sent me. This thing is really nice looking. There's the back side of it. Super easy to set up too, and super lightweight. I love these lights. Look at that. This light here is a 1500 watt and is made by A-Zone. Here's all the parts that come in the box. Now, not to worry, because really, just depending on your setup, they give you a lot of different options. So really, you're only going to need a few of these screws. So this one here is going to go on the light. That's your extender, and this is going to go out here if you're going to put it on a 4x4 or a light pole. If you're just going to screw it into wood, you can just go right there. But these things here, that's going to be for mount. That's going to be for connecting this to the light. Actually, take that back. This is going to connect to the light. The black will sit there. Now for installing this pole here, they give you there's a little stiffener right here, a little chalk. That's going to go down because you want the solar light up. And it's a no-brainer. This thing just sits right in there. This cap goes there. And these nuts and bolts just go right in these 4 holes right there. Okay, now one thing, if you're going to mount this thing all by yourself, I recommend to tighten this up a little bit, but enough so you can slide this out. That way you can just mount this piece to whatever you're mounting it to, and then take the light after you secure it, and then go like that, and then cinch the bolts down tight that way. That way you're not trying to support the weight of this whole thing while trying to screw in screws there. And these things here, let me show you something. It just goes right, it's a pre-grooved slot for them. Go in right here. It'll basically hold itself by itself, and you can screw it in from the other side into the 4 hole. Okay, there we go. So I've got it secured in there at least, and then I'm just gonna take this out and go mount this thing. I'm just gonna take these fasteners. It's just gonna go right in like that. Okay, got the base mounted there. I'm gonna slide the light on, tighten it up. All right, there it is. Now we'll just wait till dark. That green light means it's charging. Okay, now as far as the remote control goes, so when you turn it on, it's fixed on 100% brightness. It automatically turns on at dusk and then off at dawn. And then off, obviously that just turns off the lights. To turn it back on, if you want to adjust the brightness of it, you just click which percentage of brightness you want. And then these buttons down here, this is how long it'll stay on. So you have options of how long you want the thing to stay on just by pushing one of these buttons. This is for the motion activation. You activate this. I'll just read that for you here. The motion sensor mode. When people are close, it goes to 100% brightness, and then when they're not underneath the sensor, it goes to 30%. That baby is bright. Really lights up the whole area. Okay, here's a quick rundown of the remote. So it's at 100% right now. I'll just kind of show you the difference, and you'll be able to see the light on the ground. Here's 25, knocking it down. There's 50, a little bit brighter. 75, and 100, nice and bright. Yeah, baby's really humming. That is nice and bright.